Okay, unit 22 talks about mixed numbers and improper fractions. So mixed numbers is when we have a whole number with a fraction. Okay, what that means is, say for example, I've got 2 and 3 over 4. That is a mixed number. There's my whole, there's my fraction. But I'm looking at as one unit, one thing that I'm measuring. Okay? An improper fraction is when I say 11 over 4. Okay, so 11 over 4, I see, oh my goodness, my numerator is way bigger than my denominator. So it's off balance, it's improper, it's going to topple over. So there's something I can do to turn that into a mixed number. Right, to turn it into a mixed number, I know that, or I've told you guys, that this little line, the line between the fraction, actually means divided by. Okay? So it's saying 11 divided by 4. That's what that fraction is telling me. There it's telling me 3 divided by 4. But if I do 3 divided by 4, I'm going to get a decimal answer, 0.75. But if I do it here with the improper fraction, I'm going to get a mixed number. Let's see. So if I say 11 divided by 4, 11 divided by 4, then I see, okay, if I do that, it's going to be 2, because 3, if it would be 3, it was going to be 12, so it's not going to work. But 2, and I'm going to have a remainder. So 2 times 4 is 8. 11 minus 8 gives me the remainder of 3. So I can say equals 2. Now I put my remainder becomes my numerator. My remainder is up there, 3. My denominator stays the one that I've been working with. 2 and 3 over 4. What that means is that 11 over 4 is the same as 2 and 3 over 4. They're the same value. So if I give one person 2 and 3 quarters of something, and I give the other person 11 quarters of something, I'm giving them the same amount if it's the same thing. Okay, so for those questions, it's asking which one is bigger, which one is smaller. You have to turn just one of them into a mixed number or an improper fraction. You can do it the other way around. You can say 4 times 2, so that way, equals 8 plus my numerator there. 8 plus 3 equals 11 over 4. Right? So I can do it the other way around, but the easiest is to make it into an improper fraction. Sorry, a mixed number. Okay, then there's a question that shows us a number line. Okay, so I've got this number line. It starts at 2, then I've got 3 there, 4 there, and then this one they've divided into section A, B, and C. Okay, and I am asking what is the value of A? What is the value of B? What is the value of C? So I know between 2 and 3, I can't say that value is 3 because there's my 3. So I have to see, okay, there is fractions involved. So first thing I do is I count the amount of parts that my number line has been broken into. So for example, that one is broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 4 parts. So that tells me my denominator. Remember when we drew the dots, we found the parts being divided into. the denominator is the amount of parts. So my denominator is there. Now, if I say, what is the value of A? A is 2. I don't throw my 2 away. 2, and it's just one part of the 4 parts. One part of the 4 parts means 1 over 4. What is my value of B? B would be 2, and it's 2 parts, so 2 over 4. What is my value of C? C is 1, 2, 3, so it's 2 and 3 over 4, and then I come to my next whole number. Okay, that can work with anything. I can divide it into, I can divide my number line into more. So let's say there's 2, there's 3, divided into that many parts. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's my denominator going to be? 8. Yeah. So if I say, what is the value of D and the value of F? Okay, I just want to know those two. 2, I don't throw my 2 away. 2 and 1, 2, 3. 4 parts. 2 and 4 over 8. Okay, what's my value of F? So 2 and 6 over 8. Right, easy, easy. So try and do that. Remember, when it passes another whole number and continues, now we've got a new whole number. That's all. That's the only thing that changes. This number line can continue to be divided into the 8 parts. Then it is 3 and 4 over 6, or 3 and 5, sorry, not 6, over 8, and so on. Right, so don't let the new whole number throw you off. It's just a new whole number. Right, that is for Unit 22.